Welcome to Synced Soul, your AI-powered video creation platform. Let's walk through how you can create stunning videos in just a few clicks. We'll start on the homepage. In the top right corner, click Generate Video. Sign up for a new account or sign in if you already have an active account. First up, Text-to-Video Generator. This tool can create videos in most major languages. Simply type your script into the prompt box, making sure each sentence is complete and ends with a bullet or dunder. Choose your preferred voice and background music. If you've uploaded a logo in your profile settings, you can also include it in the final video. Now, enter an appropriate title and click Generate. In just minutes, you'll receive a sleek icon and typography-based video complete with music, logo, and a natural-sounding voiceover. Next, let's try the PPTX-to-Video Converter. Just prepare your PowerPoint file with speaker notes and remember to embed the fonts in File, Options, Save, Embed Fonts. Upload it, choose your voice and background music from over 88 options in multiple languages, and click Generate. Within minutes, your presentation will be transformed into a professional video. Next, we have our character-based animated video generator. Here, you can choose from multiple characters and produce highly professional, engaging videos, combining stock footage, animated characters, and even your own PowerPoint slides. This model is partly human-assisted, so it takes between 2 to 4 hours to complete. Finally, we have our AI ad maker, which produces stunning animated videos from your script. Simply enter your instructions and script, and we will turn it into an animated video in 4 to 8 hours. And that's it. 4 powerful ways to bring your ideas to life. Stay tuned for even more exciting video models coming soon on syncedsoul.com.